Poverty is not a personal thing. Poverty did not just pick you or pick your parents and decide like, oh, we're gonna make him poor because we hate him. It's not personal. Life is not personal. So watching this video is gonna help you unlock your mind and see why some people are poor and some people are rich. Simple as that, right? So what you need to understand is that over time, life is evolving. Life is constantly evolving. New technology, new things are coming out on a daily basis, right? So you need to understand that wealth follows a principle. And if you watch this video and stay to the end, you're gonna get that principle. And if you apply it in your life, thank me later because you're gonna be wealthy, super, super, super wealthy, okay? So look at this. This is the graph of success. And I'm gonna prove it with real life examples, right? Creating and evolving on this side. Creation and evolution on this side. Time. Let me say 2000s, 2010, 2020, right? Now we're in 2025. And this is the trend. The upward trend of creation over time. Creation and evolution over time. You understand? So if you look at this right now and success, this is the success curve, right? This will be, Elon Musk will be somewhere here. Elon, Jeff, OpenAI. You need to understand that new technology, things that are evolving. What is evolution? Like human beings have evolved from Neanderthals or monkey apes into smart, standing, upright individuals that can talk, speak, walk, right? Then we started putting rocks together and putting fires and building camps and different things. Then we started wars, building technology, building nukes, building guns, evolving. We're constantly evolving. We're constantly growing, changing. And evolution is simply just making life easier and safer for everybody. So things are being created and to evolve us as human beings. Things are being created to evolve us as human beings. So the poorest people, guess what? The poorest people, they don't create and they don't evolve. They stay in old times and they're still doing what old people do, right? So for instance, if you're not using AI, if you don't have OpenAI, ChatGPT in your phone, my guy, you're gonna suffer because that is gonna change everything in the future, right? You're like some businesses are literally competing with AI right now. You're competing with the speed and the automation of AI and you expect to keep up in your sales. How? It doesn't make any sense. Like social media, the only reason why I can talk to you is because there's an internet where I can post videos on the channel and you see it and you hear what I have to say. If that was impossible, then this conversation wouldn't be happening right now. So evolution is so important. So the poorest people, they don't tap in with the newest technology. They don't tap in with the latest things that are happening. They don't evolve. They stay in the past because of fear. I come from Africa, Nigeria. That's where I was born. So in my country, you find buildings that haven't been maintained, that haven't evolved, that haven't changed for years. I'm talking hundreds of years. Electricity is still a problem. Like, there's no electricity. Like, the electricity comes and goes. Imagine how slow the world will be over there, like in terms of evolution. That's why they can't evolve, because the gap of evolution has gone so far, and now the economy is so bad. Like, I'm talking like the currency has crashed by, I'm sure like over 500% in terms of the exchange rate. Because what? Technology has probably increased by over 500%. Do you understand that? So if you're struggling, if you're poor, it's because you're refusing to evolve. You're not evolving yourself. You're not taking advantage of the things that are in front of you. The knowledge, the information, the things that you need to learn to become a different person. You're not evolving. You're stuck in an old belief that has already expired. You're stuck somewhere else that has already expired, and you're wondering, why can't I succeed? Why am I not making money? That's why. Because you can't even be, because I'm going to make a whole video about this, but you can't even be valuable because your value to others, simply, let me leave it as this. Your value to others is part of your success. Your value to others. So even if you want a job that will pay you and make you successful, or at least comfortably rich, then you're going to have to be valuable. You're going to have to be somewhere here and learning things too. You're going to have to understand AI. You're going to have to understand how to program. You're going to understand how to heal people, doctors, engineers, lawyers. They're evolving because they have knowledge, they have wisdom that most people are not willing to learn. You understand? So evolution, evolving yourself to be more valuable has a direct tie to wealth over time. So when things like AI, the internet came out. The internet came out somewhere here. I don't know. It's not even been so long since the internet came out. The internet came out somewhere here. Internet. And the internet, Elon Musk heard about the internet and said, wow, I love the internet. This is amazing. And he went on there and started learning because he wasn't always rich. And Elon Musk's first company was PayPal. He built a website that you could transfer money from one person to one person. Simple. Using the internet. The technology came out, he leveraged it, he made billions, sold the company, moved on. He heard about electric cars. Oh my God, renewable energy. Renewable energy came out somewhere here. It probably came out somewhere back here, but he jumped into it somewhere here. And he said, wow, renewable energy is something in the world now. We want to make renewable energy. We want to make the planet safer. He jumped into that, boom. Created Tesla, made millions of dollars, billions. Do you understand? Like, so right now there's an opportunity here. What is that opportunity? AI technology. That is the latest thing. So now it's new, it's fresh. It came out in 2020, 2021. So somewhere down the line, like, look at that. We're still using the internet. The internet is still fresh. So the internet, social media, music, like all these things that media, the internet, connection with people, social media, technology, AI. You're still not leveraging it to become wealthy. Somebody has to beg you to do that, and you want to be successful, you want to be wealthy. That's not going to happen if you don't evolve with the times.